in today's video, let's prove them doubters that the UNC toe, according to them, is difficult to style. But first, you gotta appreciate the box and the shoe itself because they are really gorgeous. Second, you'll get extra pair of laces, which I think should be normalized by Nike. And thirdly, let's talk about the quality and styling tips. Hey boss, Piniman Chef here, and just imagine if the UNC toe was released 2 or 3 years ago, the sneakers would definitely sell out. And by the way, if the colorway of the sneakers somehow reminds me of the fragments, you can always count me in, and let's talk about the quality and materials of the sneakers. Well, there are 2 types of leather that are used here. As you can see, the blue ones are the better ones, just feel soft and very tumbled. On the other hand, the black and white are just okay but not really cheap looking. Linings on the paddings are made out of polyester and the tongues are nylon. Overall, a very well constructed sneakers. Okay, now for the exciting part, and the question is, how am I going to style the sneakers? Well, the short answer for that is that base it on the sneakers. I don't think you guys don't have any dark blue denim jeans or dark black chino cargos in your wardrobe. I mean, come on, those are the most common ones. So here's my top 5 pants and UNC toe combo in any order. Can't go wrong with dark blue slim fit jeans. To me, this is my favorite, and this would definitely look great with white t-shirts or any tops with neutral color. A black chino cargos will not disappoint you as well for that streetwear but smart looking vibe. Pair it with some flannels or loose t-shirt and they would be fire. Probably this is one of the most easiest and versatile pants that I have, and this is my light faded blue denim stonewashed jeans, and just take a look at them. They would always fit together, and gotta be honest, I wore this several times in this channel, and you can literally throw any kind of sneakers or even boots to this pants and you will have no issues at all. Normally, if I'm wearing this, I always pair it with some beige or pink pullovers to complete that airy summery vibe. Next up, the most obvious one, my faded denim slim shorts. Although some prefer wearing the shorts, in my case, since I'm not that tall, this is my least favorite of all them styles. By the way, one of the most overlooked aspects in choosing the right pants is the fit. No matter how good the color combo of your pants is to your sneakers, if you're wearing an ill-fitting pants, they would still look cheap and unpleasant. Okay, for the last style, I wasn't really expecting this to work and I didn't really see it coming. The dark green cargos with the UNC toe. In my opinion, the mint green lace swap that I did here somehow toned down a little bit the blue color. If I have one advice that I would give, I would say choose the right pants according to your body type. And to me, no matter how good the combination of your sneakers between your pants, if they are ill-fitting, it would always look cheap and unpleasant. So in my case, I'm just buying cheap pants from H&M and Pull&Bears, but I always make sure that it fits me well. By the way, I'm going true to size on this before I will forget, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will see you next time, and peace.